Hey, what's up guys? Today I'm going to show you how to cook some chicken Milanese. To start with, I'm going to cut a chicken breast in half. You can also, in a lot of stores, just buy some thin cutlets. And in between some parchment paper or plastic wrap, I'm going to pound the chicken to about 1/2 inch thick. I'm going to do this for both pieces of the chicken breast. And I'm using a saucepan, but you could use a mallet or a rolling pin instead. You're gonna want to hit the chicken pretty firmly, but you also don't want to like tear the flesh, so don't hit it too hard. Once that's done with the chicken, then I'm gonna get started on the breading station. So what I'm gonna do first is in a large bowl, I'm gonna add 1.5 cups of Panko breadcrumbs. And then I'm also gonna grate 1/2 cup of Parmesan. I'm gonna add the Parmesan to the breadcrumbs. And I'm gonna start chopping up some parsley. I just did a handful of parsley, but it's probably about 3 or 4 tablespoons. And then I'm gonna add that to the bowl as well. I'm also going to add some minced garlic. I use 2 or 3 small garlic cloves, and I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of salt and pepper. I'm going to give it a good mix around, and just be careful because the garlic will kind of clump, so you have to really shake it around a bit. Then in another bowl, I'm going to add 1 cup of flour with some salt and pepper. I'm going to keep it pretty simple, but you could also add maybe some onion powder or oregano into the flour if you wanted it more seasoned. And the last thing we're going to do for the breading station is just make an egg wash. So I'm going to add 2 eggs and a 1/2 tablespoon of water, and then just give that a good mix around. All right, now I'm going to season both sides of the chicken with some salt and pepper. And I'm going to line up the bowls so it goes from the chicken to the flour to the eggs and then finally the breadcrumbs. Once you've seasoned both sides, I'm just going to dip the chicken into the flour, and you're just going to want to shake it around a bit and get rid of any excess flour. Once it has the flour on, we're going to dip it in the eggs, and then after that, we're going to put it into the breadcrumbs. You can be kind of firm, kind of play around with this a little bit. You want to make sure it sticks properly. Then we're just going to complete the same process for the second piece of chicken and then start frying. All right, now we finished breading the chicken. I'm going to heat up a pan with about 1/4 inch of oil. I'm using olive oil, but you could use any neutral oil. Once it's nice and heated up, we're going to add our chicken and then cook it for about 3 or 4 minutes. Personally, though, I think olive oil gives you the best taste. Our chicken is looking nice and golden. I'm going to give it another 3 or 4 minutes and see how it's doing. Good tip, by the way, to know when your oil is hot enough is just throw in some breadcrumbs, and if it starts sizzling without burning, then you're probably good. All right, we're gonna flip it around again, and we have a really nice golden brown. Looks delicious. Just gonna cook the other side for 1 more minute just to get a little more color. All right, the chicken looks great. I'm just gonna take it out now and let it rest for a few minutes. While the chicken is resting, I'm just going to make a little cherry tomato and arugula salad. So I'm going to cut about 1 cup of tomatoes. I'm going to add some lemon juice, some olive oil, and then some salt and pepper and give it a good mix around. In another bowl, I'm going to add about 2 cups of arugula, and I'm going to dress it with the excess oil and lemon juice from the tomatoes. Once that's done, we can start plating everything up. Also, this recipe, the chicken would be great the next day. You could make a sandwich with maybe some like focaccia and some cheese and pesto, and it would be just really, really good. Now what I'm going to do is just add both of the pieces of the chicken Milanese. Then I'm going to add some arugula. Once the arugula is on there, I'm just going to add some tomatoes. Just going to spoon some on. Then finally, I'm going to also just put some shaved Parmesan. I'm just going to use a vegetable peeler and then just shave some pieces of the Parmesan and then add a couple lemon wedges. And there you have it. What's up, everybody? Just finished cooking. I'm going to give everything a little bit of a taste test. See how it is. Looks really good. See if it tastes that good. It's really good. Has a great flavor, nice and crunchy, but also the chicken's nice and like juicy still. I'd be happy having that anytime. It's really good. Let me know if you guys give it a try. Thanks for watching. Please think about liking and subscribing if you made it this far. Thanks, bye.